It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Get power for your home and feel good about your environmental impact with solar energy. Jeff Corelli from Sunlight Solar is here with more on that. And thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Now, we talk about solar a lot, and utility rates, they keep rising. So solar is a good idea financially, but it also can help the environment.
Absolutely. And actually, that's the one thing that gets missed most because of the utility costs that we do pay here. But it's very important just from an environmental standpoint to keep in mind that while you're saving money financially, you're actually doing good by the economy by going green and reducing the fossil fuels and reducing your carbon footprint.
Is that one of the big reasons that you got into this industry?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it was a win-win. It was a twofold situation. But I actually got into this mainly because of not only the financial impact, but actually reducing the carbon footprint. But that was a big concern for myself and my partner.
And speaking of the carbon footprint, you know, people go into this, again, overall, for financial reasons a lot of the time. Do you think we should be focusing more on the environment as a whole?
Personally, I do. And I think overall in Southern California, we are a little bit more. But when you really break it down as far as why you should do it, if you look at all the reasons to do it, again, it becomes such a win-win financially and mostly environmentally.
And when people think about being good to the environment, sometimes they think, it's going to take a lot of work. This is one way you can do that, feel good about it, and it doesn't actually take a lot of work once you install it.
Correct. There's no work at all to the homeowner. I mean, we do all the work in theory. You're still connected to the grid. You can still, like we mentioned before, go to the beach or go out to dinner or what have you. You just reap the rewards of saving money and doing the right thing for the economy, for the environment and the economy.
All right, yeah, for both. All right. Thanks, Jeff.
Thank you for having me.
And remember, 10% off up to $500 when you mention Approved Home Pros. Feel good about where your power comes from with a solar system from Sunlight Solar. Call 619-489-7277 today.